Hello, Scratch Kitchen. How are y'all doing? How are you holding up? What a week. We had those selections, chaos still going on. Yeah, one YouTuber I watch kind of described this like waiting to see who gets custody of us. That's so true. I mean, it's like watching two parents in a courtroom fighting for custody of their children. Unbelievable. Anyway, moving on. We're going to move on because it's not going to matter, okay? We need to talk about important things. Like 5 foods going extinct shockingly soon. Now, this article was from June, but considering we're coming up to some major cooking and baking holidays, I really think it needs to be revisited. One is milk. Now, this doesn't have to be the end of the world as we know it type of tragedy. There are alternatives. You just gotta be open to it. Uh, Powdered milk. I know it's terrible. I know. And it takes some figuring out to make it work. But here's the deal. Evaporated milk. If you can take evaporated milk, put it in a container, add water until it gets to the consistency that you and your family like. The less water, the thicker the milk's going to be. The more like whole milk you'll have. Because basically what evaporated milk is milk that's had water cooked out of it and canned. Which makes me think, why aren't we canning milk at home? Anyway, there is shelf-stable milk in the cereal aisle of my Kroger. You know what? I'm gonna put you on pause. I'm gonna go get one and I'm gonna show you how they look. Alright guys, I'm back. Shelf-stable milk will look like this. It'll be in a container like this here. My Kroger puts it by the cereal. You can get coconut. You can get almond with and without vanilla. And you can also get your regular milk that is shelf-stable like this. It'll be the exact same size and more likely in the exact same place. So, orange juice is another one. Alright. You can grab 4 to 8 containers, whatever your budget allows, each time. And put it back. Put it back in the freezer. You can also dehydrate it. Yeah. Dehydrate it. Seafood is another one about to go extinct. Buy it now, freeze it, or can it. Factory farmed meat. Yeah, I don't know anyone that's going to miss cows living in each other's waste. I mean, they ain't gonna miss it. But, that's another thing. Get this stuff canned. Either commercially canned or can it yourself. Alright, honey is the next thing. Now, there's been problems with bee colonies being killed off over the years. That's another video, another thing. But here's the good news. If you are a canner, you can recan honey. I'm going to be doing it very soon. And I'm going to show you how. I'm also going to put videos for doing all this stuff down below. Now, if you are not a canner, no problem. Get it powdered and then use it like sugar. I am going to leave you some links. Now, for your holiday planning and stuff like that, I'm going to leave you Barefoot Contessa's site, Ina Garden. Paula Dean's site, she has a video on taking milk and adding the evaporated milk and adding water to it. I'm going to leave you a link to dehydrated liquids in the Excalibur. I'm sure you can do it with any dehydrator. A link to Linda's Pantry canning wild-caught albacore tuna. Thanksgiving preparations. That's Kimmy from Cheese in Her Apron. Recanning honey with mud rucker. The power of recanning food, another way to save money, from Tessie. Now, I have recanned mustard. You can recan barbecue sauce, tomato sauce, pasta sauce, and pizza sauce, Worcester sauce. I'm going to do that one soon. For the simple reason that they're already broke down. Now, something like vegetables or meats, don't recan it. Don't bother, okay? If it's already canned, just leave it alone, put it back, and use it up. Here's the deal. Vegetables that are low acid barely survive the first round of pressure canning, okay? Because it gets so hot in that pressure canner that they literally shrink. Some will do that, some won't. Alright guys, that is 5 items. It's going to go missing very, very soon on your shelves. Now, by all means, there are other alternatives. I'm going to give you links to other places. And I'm going to be doing stuff too. So, I want you guys have a great day. Have a wonderful afternoon. Don't get caught up in this drama. Please do not get caught up in this craziness. It will not lead nowhere good. Alright? Just hit your kitchen, cook, bake, whatever it is that gives you some kind of mental therapy, a mental escape. I'm also going to review the Anna Garden books. It has come to my attention, I have all 12. I got one on the way, and I have all 12 of the books. I got them marked down from Amazon. So, I'm going to stop here. We will be in the kitchen next video doing Hawaiian barbecue pork with home canned pork. Yay! And I'm also going to do blueberry pie filling, which I'm going to show you 2 ways to store it. One's in a can, one's in the freezer. That's going to be awesome. I will see you guys